Hey, we're going about another why of breaking no more. Why sticking to your values? And right now, it's about values turning your pain into purpose. How does that happen? The pain becoming the purpose. So, when you know why you're doing things, for instance, humanity self preservation, then if your boss is getting like so annoying with you, um if it makes you suffer because you know that you want self-preservation for humanity, then this pain that you are enduring, it becomes a strength. It builds resilience. It builds as well character, because character is tested in the face of adversity, right? Like I know that myself. Like my character had to just come out, and I had to just embrace more of who I am, like really, like in a sharp manner. And so yeah, you get sharp. You get sharper on your values as well. This is how it builds like strength, like sharp. It trains the muscle, the value muscle, self-preservation of humanity. And so it builds as well resilience, right? So this is how it transforms your pain into purpose. It's like it's not only pain, it becomes like strength. It becomes like a focus on the purpose, and like you stick stronger to your purpose. It crystallizes within yourself. So yeah, this is how setbacks at work can become a growth opportunity. And this is how in life your struggle become the way you revealed yourself. Have fun.